Everybody likes to make fun of the way I talk. I talk like my grandmother. Veal was veal. Parmigiana was parmigiana. Ricotta was ricotta. This is me. But this is my favorite meal, and it's baked ziti from when I was a kid. And you know what? My mother fed everybody at the table. Her pots, they stretched. So let's get started. I want to show you how to stretch your pots and make your family very hearty, healthy meals for $25. Feeding your family 25 meals in my e-cookbook. I am so excited to have you see this. And I made my marinara sauce this morning, okay? And very simple, olive oil, garlic, fresh bazinegol. Go ahead, make fun of that word. Bazinegol. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, I pre-made. Now you can use ziti or you can use penne ricotta. I love penne ricotta because I love the way it has the little lines. The sauce just sticks to it so nice. Now we're going to make the ricotta, okay? And in my e-cookbook, you're going to see the recipes, and the recipe for this will be listed below. So you're going to be able to take advantage. I'm going to use half of the shredded because the rest of the shredded is going to go on top. Some grated logatelli. Pecorino Romano. I love my logatelli. If you can't get logatelli, you can use regular grated Pecorino Romano. We're going to stir this up. Okay, I'm going to add the egg. Delicious. It's so simple. This is a meal that takes 10-minute prep. That marinara sauce cooked for only 15 minutes, and it came out so good. And the recipe is there in the book. My book, I got to tell you, I put so much work into that book. So much work, just shopping alone. And I want to teach you all of that because I wanted to make sure every meal came out $25. The shopping was incredible. The receipt, I did 25 meals. They all came out to $25 a meal, feeding a family of 4, healthy and flavorful. Okay, so now we're going to add this right into here. We're going to bake it. And again, the recipe, look at this, how nice. And the recipe is listed below, so you're going to have every ingredient and you're going to have every step of what I did. Okay, we're going to put the sauce on it. Add some more shredded mozzarella. I love to say the Italian words like my grandmother did. I can remember my mom making this and my grandma coming over, and we did it together. And I used to smell it as a kid. It was my favorite. Pasta was always it's everybody's favorite. But it's hearty. It makes you feel good. It brings the family together. This is why I do what I do.